Hi ladies and gentlemen, in this tutorial I want to show you how to find directions to a contact and also look at a map. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to pick a contact, any contact. And when I'm on that contact, you'll see we have an address here and a zip code and all the information. So to the right hand side of the address, I am going to click on the little, I don't even know how to describe it. It almost looks like a teardrop. These options pop up. What do I want? A regular map or do I want directions using the My Record? And again, remember I said the My Record is your contact info. And in your contact info should have your business address because that business address, it will map it from that point to their address. But if you're on the road and you don't want it to go from your office because you're on the road and elsewhere, then in this case, you're going to use the directions using the current location. So in this situation, I'm going to use the My Record. So it's going to look at my contact information, which is my actual physical address, and it's going to create a map. Now, this database, if you weren't aware of it, it allows you to, my location is in the greater Boston area, but a lot of these contacts are in the Ohio area for this particular database. How do I want to use the Google Maps? I'm going to do it allow while using the app. And here are the directions. Now to go from my Boston location to all these spots, here we have different options. And I can choose which one I want to take. So it's about 651 miles, so I'm not going to be going there this afternoon, but it breaks down the timing. And obviously you want to use a little common sense, but if I want to create directions, I'm all ready to go. So that's how you come in and work with the map. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. You have a great day. Be well.